Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing RIIZE Fame. Let's begin. Here are some freebies I got. We have Anton and Unso, Shotaro and Sohee, and Wanbin and Sungchan. Okay, so here's the album. I have the photo book. Here's the front and the back. Let's flip through. This is a sticker sheet. I can't remember which member was on which shapes, so let's see which two I have today. Let's start with this one. Wanbin. And now this one is Shotaro. Based off the signature, you know who this is, right? And now let's see what's in this envelope. This is what the CD comes in. This is what it looks like. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you next time. Bye.